We're gonna work a sacrifice throw on our dummy. So basically what would be happening on this thing is, this guy shot in for a takedown. Hopefully your takedown looks a little bit better than his. It's a little bit lifeless. Instead of sprawling on him or pulling guard, we're essentially gonna do a sacrifice throw where we monkey flip him back over our shoulders and we chuck him. So to set this thing up, what you're gonna do is you're going to get a far side overhook and you're gonna trap their head underneath your armpit. What this is doing is a couple of things. It's basically gonna round their back out, so it's gonna make it easier for them to roll over. Also, if it's a person that doesn't know how to defend this throw, when I throw this guy, if I'm not rolling their head in and tucking their chin, I don't want them to risk the chance of basically just spiking themselves straight into the mat and dying. I wanna make sure their head is tucked, their chin is tucked in, so they roll over like that. So it's kind of a two-pronged reason for doing it. So they shoot on us, overhook, we grab the armpit, we trap the head right there. We're gonna take this arm and we're gonna grab on the dummy, we're gonna go more by the elbow, but on a real person, we would be grabbing basically by the tricep. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this foot right here, hopefully you can see it, and we're gonna hook right inside their right leg. So I'm doing a couple of things here. I'm trapping their head to round out their back. I'm trapping the arm here to kind of stop them. And then I'm gonna hook this leg, and when I sit back, I'm gonna roll back over and I'm gonna use this right leg to hook their leg and I'm gonna flip them over. So I've got it trapped right here. I'll go to the side. I've got my right leg here and I'm gonna roll them back over my shoulders just like this. So look, I tuck their chin and I take them over like this. I didn't let go of the tricep. I didn't let go of my far side overhook or underhook depending on the position I'm in. So now look, this leg stayed up the entire time. Look what I'm gonna do here because I wanna go to side control. I'm gonna bridge up, I'm gonna thread the needle through, and then look, this arm that was on the tricep is basically just gonna go right underneath the head. I'm keeping pressure, I shimmy up here, and I establish a really, really good side control. I'll do it one more time, super fast. They shoot in, yeah! I stuff it. I get an overhook in the armpit, I trap their head. I trap the arm right here. I've got a nice tight grip. I'm gonna hook the leg right here. I take them back and over. Look at the way, just for the demo purposes, I'm keeping this leg up. I never let go of either of my hooks. My hands, I'm gonna bridge up. I'm gonna thread the needle. Look the way I put my ear on them. I'm staying heavy. I'm not letting go with that hand. I dive under with that arm. I shimmy up. I get the fist on the hip. My hips really, really low. Open up my hips over the center line and I'm in side control. And then obviously from there, I can go and do whatever I need to. Defend the shot, overhook, trap the head, sacrifice throw, chuck them over, establish side control, and all done.